morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. This is Mike. It is August 17th and it's about 2 minutes before 10. So let's go into the risk disclaimer here really quickly and we'll go from there. If I can find my risk disclaimer. All forms of trading carry high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risk involved and, if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer. Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Alrighty, let's see what we can hear. Well, as you can see, the market's crashing in 2 days in a row, and we're going to see what's going to happen from top of the hour. See if we can see if there's going to be a pullback or a sell-off. That's the bottom line. I expect it to be finally having some bad news after all this time. So anyways, just walked in, just setting up the computer, see if we're going to break this zone, and then what we're also going to be looking for, let me see here, there's might be the sell-off. Is that top of the hour? Not yet. And let's go try, where is this? There we go. So as you can see, this is the area of the prior low I'm interested in. See, we had a really big buy and sell on, so we're going to let them fight out right in this zone here, guys. Once I get to this zone, see if we're bottoming out. Maybe, because you can see there's one drop, second drop. Let's see if we can get the third drop. If not, it might crash even farther down. And do I have more data? So what I'll do is let me go. Let's see if we can get about 10 days in there. Might even use 15, we don't know yet. But she's holding for now.
Block sell.
Oh, 47.54.34. Block sell. Let's see if she's going to push hard. Because it's volatile, we really have to watch what we're doing here, guys. That's the bottom line. It's an ugly one. And it feels like it's back in September, but we're gonna wait and see until they get things set up. And if we wait until, let's say, 10:30, maybe 11:15, maybe we can get back into it. But we don't want to get caught in their whip out games. So it was already done, was it? Did I get 10 days in? I did. Okay. Now let's see what we have here. That is 10 days. So if it does, it'll hit new lows once again. Biggest drop down was 1.19 and we're at 1.12. We'll let them play that game. And what we'll do is we'll look at this other chart, the other chart here. Give me a second here. And we'll just keep it on this chart for a while. And we'll watch and see exactly what's going to happen. Hopefully we might be able to get in a quick trade. A lot of fighting going right now. Looks like it wants to buy back in, but we don't know because we've had ATR sell, ATR buy, first pullback, ATR sell again. Here's market open price. If we break here, maybe we can go. I don't know yet. It's just when it's this volatile, you really got to watch your trades because it can whip you out $200 really fast, $500 really fast. And that's what I'm waiting for, to see if it's going to grind its way back up. Yeah, it only, see, we had a high candle bar right here. We had another high candle here, which is a deeper retracement, but we did not get all the way back to our low of 17 for the night. You know what I might do is, oh, it's too late. There's I have to get it at 80, and if I got it at 80, then there was a possibility from 80 to 98. Let me see here. Gonna be 80, not sure yet. Just give it some time, let them grind it out. Other than that, I've been just kind of on holidays for a while. Just needed some, you know, got family that I haven't seen in a long time, and so haven't really been doing that much trading lately. So I did a quick one yesterday before I even started the video, and it was already done my quota, so that's why I didn't record it. So, because I didn't expect it that fast, that quick. So, you know what? Also, what we should do is let's see where the volume point is since market open. Let's see where we're floating right now. So volume point of control is at 84 right now. Okay, triggerfish activated one more time, a very tight triggerfish. And we are at 10:05. I haven't seen my signal yet for buying or selling, so we're going to wait. You know what? I'm going to reload this. Is this the right? Yeah, this is the right one. So I'm going to reload NinjaScript just in case. Just want to reload this one here. Okay. So I want to make sure. See if we can break 15,004, because we have a trend tracker right here, which I'm kind of hesitant on. So we had one trend tracker. Let me see here. So that trend tracker started a long time ago. We have a stop out here. Okay, volume point of control is lowered a bit. Delta is actually holding at 584. Let's see if we can get down to 17. That's the one I'm really interested in. And if it gets to the 17 section, maybe we can buy back in. I'd rather, instead of hitting 17, I'd rather hit it right to the 800 level, and then from the 900 level, and then fire up. That's what I really want. But you can tell she's getting tighter and tighter in this volume point of control. She's fighting that zone there. Oops. I'm going to try to set it up the way I like it. Yeah, this volume point of control zone. Okay, so we have, let me see here. Triggerfish going up, down, up, down. We have to break 84 or 85. If we do that, then we can go up to at least to 04 or 20.
Block sell.
Okay, we got another block sell here. 31 contracts. They're playing the game. You know what I don't have? I haven't done it forever. While they're doing these block buys and sells, I'm going to put level 2 indicator. To see where they're flashing. There has to be flashing with this type of volume going on right now. 79, eh? 8485. I would love for it to hit, might be 50, but my favorite would be if it hit 17 one more time, somewhere in that zone. There should be another sell-off. We're just letting them gobble their contracts off because we've been very, very, very flat on our delta. And with the triggerfish, as you know, if we're getting a big, really bounce response, you know I like taking the triggerfish, but because it's so volatile, see how it's flat right here? It looks like it wants to gobble it down back to the 17 level. After the 17 level, I know we're getting kind of to the extremities, and because right now we're just tight in this volume right here. Where are we located on this one? Yeah, it's still growing. Delta is selling off. Wow, from 59.
Block buy.
So 60, 59. Yeah, gotta give it some time. Let them grind it through. I'm actually going to open up the screen a little bit more so we can see exactly what's happening. This is the region of interest I'm in. I'm going to set it up for you guys here. Between here, oh, it's the same, basically. That's that region of interest I want to break. We haven't even had any block sells. There's just an aggressive push. Delta is still holding. We haven't broke zero in delta. This triggerfish would have worked really well. Now we have to break 50. If we break 50, I might be able to jump in to 71. See how it bounced from 50 to 61? This is why it's just too risky right now, guys. And I think where the best time to actually, I think my first trade is, might be in 1 hour from now. I'm not sure yet. Because they're just whipping. Like, these are big whips, guys. I'm just surprised I don't have any level 2 orders flashing anywhere. Do I have quarters on this? Let's see if I have quarters on this. Don't have quarters. Let me put quarters on this indicator as well. See where we are in our quarters. And I'll put that on. And I'll put my midline on so we can see where the half markers are. Do I also have, oh, and I want this one as well. There we go. Okay, we got a new volume point of control. So it looks like she's setting up.
Block cell.
And we are still at 400 delta, so they can go down to looks like negative 4,000 if it really takes off. There's my box I'm waiting for. Now let's see if the box passes or fails, and if it starts passing I can jump in. You know what? I'm gonna try it. Should I go buy bid? I'll see after this one. You need to break that volume point of controls. Okay, I'll go for it. Why not?
Order submitted.
Oh.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Let's see if I can get a few points out of this one. Give me 10 points.
Block cell.
Yeah, they can block cell. Doesn't matter to me. We can go up to 80. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, we're already at 93, so. I got it just a little too late on this one when I was trying to set it up on the bid. They can break it out. If we go to even 11, we'll be fine. We can also go to 07. Because we broke this level. We'll come back in, shoot it again. This is the 80 zone I want to pass. Okay, come back down, retest, and go for it again. Okay, we touched the trigger fish. Perfect. As long as you just touch it and go. Are you buying in? Let's go for one more hit again. I know we can get up to 04. Yeah, they're trying, but they're going to push back up here right away. Push it up. You see, boom, 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 yeah. Watch our pattern go up. Good, delta still going up, guys. You need a retracement delta here.
Block cell.
No block cell, guys. Come on, one block buy. Give me a block buy here. Delta's still pushing. Come on, stay above that line. Push it up. Come on. Not done with this game yet here. Yeah, they're pushing up. They're holding. This is nice. I got too high on the end of the range, but it's nice. They want to buy at 60, looks like. You can get to 93 no problem. I'm not worried about that. I got 3 nice white candles here, so this is my signal for buying anyways. Just needs to fight a little bit more volume for buying and selling. 76, 75. Just keep on pushing it. One more buy. Six, 7, yeah, they're holding delta right now. As long as I can get back up there to about 5 points or something. And consolidation, son of a gun, I got stuck in consolidation. 1030 bounce back, that's what I want. We're holding the delta, which is good. 466, we can get to, I know we can get to 14,993 here. Because they've already done one punch on it, so this might be the second punch. Okay, we had 80 again. That's the area I like. Where I screwed myself. We got a triggerfish green for once. I want to see a strong triggerfish right now. Come on, that triggerfish. 23, eh? We just wicked out here, so I know I can basically break even on that one if it keeps on pushing. That's my delta. Delta is pushing. But now my shutdown will be very tight, so I better go close the cell MIT at 03.
Order submitted.
That's where I have to go now. Come on, push it one more time. You're almost there, guys. They're going to be popping a lot of stops right now if it keeps on going this way. There's a stop out right here. Just keep on pushing a little bit higher. Come on, a little bit higher. Just break all those zones. I want to hear the block by stop outs.
Order filled.
I'm gonna close it early. It's too volatile for my W pattern. It might be going the right way. That was a lot of risk reward there. I was supposed to originally grab it right here, and that was my trade. I was too late. It came back in, retested, and away it goes. Okay. Yeah, and it's gonna. If it hits 03, then I knew my trade was correct. 2.5. Let's see if it hits 3. If not, I would because we're just right on the trend tracker. Everything is we're still against. I don't like. Yeah, I would have been 270. I was off by a quarter of a tick. So, so I shut down early. If I'm taking too much heat in the beginning, I'll hold off. But the next technical trade. Now, see, this is it did hit. So I would have hit my target. Darn it! It was a chicken today, guys. Did I actually make any money on this trade today? $85 so far. I knew it was going to go up. I was a little hesitant when it was starting to break here, but as long as it stays in this zone, I know we can go back up. But I grabbed it way up here. I took a really dumb move, and away we went again. But now we're at, you got ATR fib, sell. We need to let it do its first punch, pull back, maybe get the trigger fish. If it goes again, away we go. Delta is actually finally building, but I just don't like how the trade is set up yet. Because we are in a tight range from 945 to here. You know, this was the sell off in the morning. And then we can go from there. Other than that, I gotta wait. But that was a perfect trade right there, actually, if I grabbed it at the right time. That would have been 70, 80, 80, 90, yeah. And it'll go up to here. Which quarter is it going to go to? Okay, this is where the bounce is. If it does bounce and reject, this is the area we have to watch. This is the area where it can reject, and it'll be a second attempt. And if it starts breaking and turning around, then we can possibly start buying in. Let's see if the rejection happens, because we had high volume, high volume, high volume. I'm surprised we haven't had any block trades. Man, that was a good trade that I would have hit. Son of a gun. Okay, we're back at market open price. We'll see what happens if there's a rejection. See, there's your price action on market open. They'll probably go up to, what's the highest there? 36? That's only a 20-point move. Now we're going to find out if this is just a quick buyout for the second attempt to sell. If not, we can maybe jump in. Damn, 70. Next time I'm going to do this, I'm going to show you a trade right here and just let her go. Now let's see what the delta's going to do here. Let's see if it gets down to around 90. Yeah, this is the rejection zone I was talking about. Rejection zone basically for myself was right about, let me see here, right about there.
Block sell.
There you go, there's the block cells. This is the one I'm worried about. And then once it does the second attempt again, then we know we can buy in. This is your first rejection, right? Where's my, somewhere right around there. Is it 11? Let me see here. I have it set for right there. So it just went just a little past, and it's before market open as well. So now what you do is you wait and see if it continues up. Wow, it's already at 15,000 again. This is just crazy volatility right now, guys. Now let's see if it's another big sell-off, or are we going to hold, and if not, we can take the second wave in. I'll watch somewhere around, let's say about somewhere around here, this quarter, this zone. I'm going to change these colors of these lines. Change the color of the lines. What color should I use? I'm going to use purple, and I'm going to use a 5. So I know where. And my other one will be this one as well. Those are the two areas I'm looking at. If I can get out of these zones here, if it comes back here and retest, oh there, look at this, it's already a trend tracker buy too.
Block buy.
Right now I'm watching Delta, seeing if we can get out within this zone. We got a trigger fish here, but see there's got a blue candle resistance, so we're going to be playing this whip for a while. If I stay within this zone, in this zone, until I break out of this zone or this zone, then I'll know for sure. And the funny thing is, it never hit the prior low. I still think it would really want it to get to 17, but I'm probably wrong. Okay, so now we're at 8:30, or sorry, 10:30, and so this is our interband moment. And now hopefully we can find out what our projections are on the interband. If we can break an interband level, let me see if I can see it here. Yeah, see, we're already in a market maker zone. We're all in that really ugly zone after the sell-off. If it ever broke south, yeah, see, the first extension on it would be the prior low of the day. So we have to see which direction it wants to go. Okay, I might just hit a sell market on this right away here. Let's go for it.
Order filled.
Holy, 8 point bounce back, eh? Find out if I'm right or wrong. If not, I'll have to shut her down quick.
Block sell.
Yeah, it's still too volatile today. I'll have to close this trade really quick here.
Order filled.
Shoot, it was going up. So we'll try it again. I took it the wrong
Order
direction.
filled. Block buy.
Now we need to get to how many points now on that one? That was a snap, hard snap. There we go. Fire it up. Keep on going. Keep on going. Toss it up to the range high at least. It was in profit there. Keep on going. Should do one more hit. Why do I have to close this? See what happens here. Break that zone. If I break that zone, I'm good to go. There we go. Give me another $100. Oh, come on.
Block buy.
There we go. Another block buy.
Order filled.
Oh, that sucks. It's holding right there. I'm still in the green, not by much. We haven't even broke market open yet, have we? Oh no, we just did. Well, let's see if it pulls back. There it goes again. Another violent move. This sucks. I want to get a really good trade in. Well, let's see if it just stops on 11. See, this is the top. This is called a banker's candle. The first rejection gets back, retest again. It wants to go up to here and then pull down again. This is what I believe. But it's so volatile to make. You can make, as you see, you can win and lose so fast. Give it another whip again. This is going to go back to now my zone of interest is going to be in one of two areas. I'm going to bring it up to probably around there now. Needs to break that 42 level. I don't even want to do that now. See, this is a banker's candle zone, and this is what I'm worried about. See, you got high volume pull back, high volume pull back. I really want to go for it, but I'll wait till it gets to somewhere here and here within that zone. There's a big seller's rejection. Oh, I see. I finally see. No, that's not it. See, there's another seller's rejection right here. We gotta wait. This was my best trade right here. If I took it, boom, retest, boom. I've got to remember that. And we're outside. Needs to get to 40. I'm gonna go for it.
Order filled.
As long as I can get 5 points. There.
Order filled.
Done for today, guys. It's just too volatile for me that I like. So I did finish up with that move because I knew she was going to pop one more time. First one, I bit myself in the buttocks. So I finished up only with 155 today, and that's fine. I don't care. I'm green every day, and that's my bottom line. Not the way I liked it. I should have did my trade here. What I'm going to do is, because it's so volatile, I don't like volatility when it goes like it's too choppy because it's like 10 point, 10 point, 10 point. Is it 42? Is it going to hit this? It is going to break that. Next one. Okay, no, I can't trade anymore. I'm done. Anyways, the key is I'm going to be uploading this indicator right away. I want to fix it up, clean it up. I'm just going to leave it as is. And what I'm going to do is how this trade works. Oh, she blew right through. And I was right today too. I hate that. When you're not in the zone. This is what happens when you go on vacation, guys, and you don't trade much. Anyways, here we were watching the whip out, and this is what I was waiting for. And I got caught here, took the loss, broke even, made a few bucks, and then I was waiting for the next opportunity within this zone here to see if she was going to pass or fail. But because of the high volatility the past few days, because of what's happening in the news and everything else, I just don't like it. There's violent rhythm, which is fine, but I like to get it in the right zone. And so what this box represents, and this is, you gotta thank Isham one more time, is a theory that he gave to me. It's not the exact as what he gave me. It's a little bit different because I find out there's way too many signals. So it's set up for certain parameters, and basically you just put it in there. If the box goes and you're above the proper color of box, which is green, you could try to go for long. If it does re-entry, you go again. And that's the bottom line. And the next one, there was another one, but it never activated. And so the next one will be coming up probably around 11 o'clock, 11:15, 11:30, and then that's about it. And if it does work, great. And if it doesn't, whatever. The signals do fail, of course, but on the probabilities, if it's setting up properly, if you're looking at your delta and everything else, you have a really good chance to get in early. And that's what I should have done. As you saw when I went here, I missed it. I grabbed it right here. I thought I was going to keep on going. I should have didn't do like what I try to teach you guys, and I'm guilty as myself, is don't jump into the trade, wait for the pullback, and away you go again. So, and I will always show. So I wrapped up. Yeah, it was only 155 bucks today, guys. And that's fine. And I'd rather be a little bit in the green and shut her down. I mean, this could have been a home run, but whatever. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades. Trade safe, guys, and you have a great day. Take care. And enjoy whatever holidays are left. Take care.